Star Tours,
Like,
yeah.
I wasn't like a huge
15 minutes.
fan, but welcome.
Hello.
Like I had seen them before.
Oh, it's nice and cool in here. Hello.
Never accept packages from any life form or droid you are not familiar with.
We must all be vigilant.
Look at this.
Spies!
Nobody in line.
They don't look suspicious to me at all. Strange.
Nobody in line.
Sometimes even being too vigilant.
This is crazy.
Stop being paranoid now. I'm getting back to work.
Just get on all of the rides.
What do you mean you are doing all
What's
the
up,
work?
man?
You ungrateful little twit. I've just about had enough of you.
Watch your mouth, man. Love it.
Your attention, please. The lighting regulation.
Like nobody.
What?
This is crazy.
Camera? What's a camera? Oh, you're kidding me. Someone would actually take one of those on a vacation? Well, that's a first.
Man, this is crazy. Come on, so 15 minutes. Yeah, that's what.
I'm sorry, but you may not bring your jaw through.
Lord have mercy. This is crazy. Two. We want it all to ourselves. What's your name, man?
I'm Jameer.
Jameer, you gonna give it to us. Jameer gonna give it. We're gonna be in there by ourselves. Watch
I
this.
don't know, yo. I don't know.
I know.
Get you a good seat, though.
I don't find this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention, all transport hold for security clearance.
The Stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Dear.
This is the speeder we're looking for. Blast them!
Wheels are Pato. We just passed the end of the moon. Oh, look out! Arthur, fix those engines immediately. You know I can't swim. And neither can you.
Oh.
Hang on! What a ghastly place. Oh, go away, beastly thing! Go away! Arthur, save us! A transmission? BB-8, what are you doing here? Mission? What mission? He says he has vital information to deliver and needs our help. Well, we're not going on any mission. It's bound to be dangerous. R2, we're not going. Good luck. Wait! Where are we going? This is suicide! We'll be smashed to pieces! In the event we don't make it, I want you to know that you have been the most wonderful passengers. Hold on, Marshal! Hold on!
All pilots, this is it.
Right, R2. This mission cannot fail. Activate the laser cannons.
Watch it, Red 9. You've got 2 ties on your tail.
They're on me tight. I can't shake them.
R2, the odds of successfully taking out 2 TIE fighters at once is approximately better than I thought. Well done.
Alright, squad. Start the attack run. Remember, aim for the cannon.
What are you waiting for? Fire!
We did it! Thanks for your help, Star Tours.
It has been an honor. We'll be safe here on Batu.
Just like
Yes,
there.
Batu. I believe this adventure is just beginning. What are you looking at?